Alright, y'all. Hey, yo. I got something for y'all. And when I was using this method to make a beat, I was making techno rap, electronica rap beats, you know, like fast pacey type beats like that. That's what I was trying not to do. I was trying not to do that. And I was trying to make it my drums more hip hoppy. You know what I'm saying? And I'm like, dog, how do you do that? There's no videos on it. For real. So I had to figure out myself. This is what I did. Look, let me show y'all. See, I went, look, this is what it looks like right here, my loop. My own drum loop. And then, I went, I went to loop mode. And then I went to advanced looping. And that's how I set it up. I set it up like that. Man, there's a gnat in here, right in front of me, messing up my video. You know. But yeah, I still keep the camera rolling. Anyways, yeah. Because really, I add the melody first. And I want to add the drums and be like, all right, I'm going to add the drums now. So, yeah. All you got to do, really, pretty much, is just if you want hip hop drums, look, put the BPM, put the tempo on 90 beats per minute. That's all you gotta do. And you ain't really gotta mess with none of this. I keep all this the same, like the bar. I keep all that the same by default.